Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of hospital gowns, but with a twist. Introducing the Utopia Care Hospital Gown, your ultimate solution for comfort and style in medical settings. Let's start with what sets this gown apart from the rest. It's not just your typical hospital attire. It's the best hospital gown costume you'll find. Why? Because it's versatile. Whether you're expecting a baby, undergoing treatment, or recovering from surgery, this gown has got you covered, literally. One of the standout features of the Utopia Care Hospital Gown is its easy accessibility. With front snap-down panels, you can effortlessly open and close the gown for breastfeeding, medical examinations, or any other needs that may arise. Plus, the snaps down the back ensure full coverage from top to bottom, giving you peace of mind wherever you wear it. Now, let's talk comfort. Made from soft, durable fabric, this gown provides the ultimate comfort during prolonged wear. No more scratchy, uncomfortable hospital gowns. And the attractive design adds a touch of style to your medical attire. Because who says you can't look good while you recover? But wait, there's more. This gown isn't just for medical use. It doubles perfectly as a maternity gown for expecting moms, an everyday lounging outfit, or even a cozy sleepwear option. Talk about versatility. And the convenience doesn't stop there. The Utopia Care Hospital Gown comes in a compact package, making it easy to store and transport. Whether you're packing it for a hospital stay or keeping it in your closet for future use, it's always ready when you need it. So, if you're in the market for the best hospital gown costume that combines comfort, accessibility, and style, look no further than the Utopia Care Hospital Gown. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never want to go back to those old, scratchy hospital gowns again. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product insights and recommendations. Until next time, stay comfortable and stylish.